Kotlin tutorial number 10, Extension Functions. Extension functions add new methods to existing classes without modifying or subclassing them. Write fun string to slug, and every string in the project gains to slug. The compiler converts them to static utility functions behind the scenes. 0 runtime cost, 0 reflection. Real-world extension functions eliminate utility class boilerplate. String to slug trims lower cases and replaces whitespace in one line. String is palindrome, removes non-letter characters and compares. Define these once in a shared file and they work on every string across the whole code base. Add utility methods to generic types like list_t. Define fun t list_t, second or null, and it works on any list regardless of element type. Generic extensions use the same t syntax as generic functions. The type parameter goes between fun and the receiver type. Extension properties add computed properties to existing classes. Same syntax as extension functions, but with val or var instead of fun. Extension properties cannot store state because they compile to getter/setter methods with no backing field. Use them for derived values that read naturally as properties. Extend nullable types like string, and handle the null case inside the extension. Callers get a clean API with no null checks needed at the call site. Define fun string is null or empty, and it works on both string and string. Inside, this can be null, so you use this to check. Add factory-style methods to a class's companion object via extension. Write fun myClass, companion, create, and call it as myClass, create, like a static factory but defined outside the class. This pattern lets library consumers add factory methods without touching the class source.